So you should definitely take the time to learn what you believe in and what is important to you. And to do that, you really need to be getting outside of your shell, going into communities, either your community or communities that are different than yours, learning from people who are different than you, come from a different family background, talking to your family and finding out what their experiences are. The more you can learn from those around you, the more you'll learn what's important to you. And when you find yours, it is something that makes determining your career, learning your skills, it makes it not only easier, but it makes it something you'll enjoy. It makes you happy, it makes you feel accomplished. Being able to do work that I really believe in makes me a better person, a better mother. It makes me a better wife. It makes me exist in this world in a better way.